If you're considering selling your home, there are a few things that you can do to prepare and make the process as smooth as possible. First and foremost, work with a trusted real estate agent who can help you set the right price for your home and guide you through the process of staging, cleaning, and photographing your home with a professional team of experts. Next, declutter and depersonalize your home. You want potential buyers to envision themselves living in the space, and that's hard to do if it's filled with your personal items. Clear out any excess furniture and decor, and remove family photos and other personal touches. If you're not sure where to start, our home stager can give you room-by-room instructions. Then, consider making any necessary repairs or upgrades. Small things like fixing leaky faucets or replacing outdated light fixtures can go a long way in making your home look well-maintained and move-in ready. Finally, it's important to keep your home clean and tidy for photography and showings. Make sure to deep clean your home, paying special attention to high-traffic areas like the kitchen and bathrooms. If you don't have time in your busy schedule, let me know and I can recommend a few amazing cleaners in the area. Oh, and don't forget to tidy up before showings by putting away any clutter or personal items that have appeared over the day. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to selling your home quickly and for top dollar. My name is Marcus at Savalio & Co. Real Estate right here in Sheboygan Falls. Keep sending in your questions and I might answer yours next week.